Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past Question 52. A car travels 240 km in 4 hours. Find the average speed. A. 60 km per hour, B. 80 km per hour, C. 140 km per hour, and D. 240 km per hour. Now the speed of the car was given to be 240 km in 4 hours, meaning that the car covers the distance of 240 km in 4 hours. And now we are asked to find the average speed of the car. Now average speed simply refers to the distance covered in 1 hour. Remember, the speed was given to us in 240 km per 4 hours, but the average speed has to be what? The distance covered in 1 hour. Now if the car covers a distance of 240 km in 4 hours, therefore the average speed will be equal to 240 divided by 4 to get the what? To get the speed in 1 hour. And that will be what? That will give us 60 km per hour. Remember, we are asked to find the average speed, that is the distance covered in 1 hour. The car covered what? 240 kilometers in 4 hours. That means it can cover what? 60 kilometers in 1 hour. So therefore the average speed of the car is 240 divided by 4, which will give us what? 60 kilometers per hour. So the answer to this question is option A, 60 kilometers per hour. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.